What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video we have a function, is cosine 3x. We need to find out the derivative of the 77th derivative of this function and also find out the 120th derivative of this function. So you know the derivative of cosine x is going to be negative sine x, and if we have f of x equals to cosine u, the derivative will be negative sine u times u prime if u is a function of x. So the derivative of cosine 3x is going to be negative 3 sine 3x. Second derivative will be negative 3 times 3 cosine 3x, which will be negative 3 squared cosine 3x. The third derivative will be positive 3 cubed sine 3x, and the fourth derivative will be 3 to the power 4 sine 3x. So it's actually cosine 3x. So 3 to the power 4 cosine 3x, because the fourth derivative has to have the same function as the original function. So now we want to find out the 77th derivative. 77 is 76 plus 1, and 76 is a multiple of 4. So I'm assuming 77 is going to be the same format as the first derivative. So it's going to be negative 3 to the power of 77 sine 3x. So that's going to be the answer to 77th derivative of cosine 3x. Now if I want to do the 120th derivative of cosine 3x, it's going to be exactly the same as this one, which is going to be 3 to the power 4 cosine 3x. Right now we are talking about 120th derivative, so it's going to be 3 to the power 120th cosine 3x. That's the final answer for this one. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and have a great day.